Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mercy Okabare. Today we are going to the streets of Nigeria where I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious street food. I am going to be using black eyed peas. This is the whole one. This bag is the one already split. I have a video that I'm going to show you how I do it. Vegetable oil of your choice, a large onion, habanero pepper, 3 of them. If you don't like heat, you can use 1 or 2, paprika, and salt to taste. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get an alert when I post a new video. So I'm gonna start washing the beans. This is how you remove the tester, the skin of the black eyed peas. By rubbing it between both hands. You do it a couple of times. This is the fastest method. It's really fast. It's a fast method, not the fastest. But it's really easy when you do it like this. Wash it, rinse it a couple of times. Make sure the black eyed peas, the black part, is not in the beans. Some people don't mind, they leave a couple of them, but I like to remove everything. So I'm gonna do it, repeat it a couple of times, make sure it is very clean before I start using it. And mind you, you can still get this from the store. If you go to any African store, there's black eyed peas that's already clean. They've removed the skin, so you don't have to go through this process. You just soak it and you are good to go. There's bean flour, but I don't trust what I don't see. I don't know how how they processed it. But if you don't mind using the bean flour because you don't want to go through this process, that's an option too. So use whatever you like. I like to go through the beans to make sure everything is clean before I stop washing. So I'm gonna soak it overnight, and this is the next day. So before I start blending, I'm gonna pour some oil into an iron skillet. I will be using a food processor to blend the beans. The benefit of using a food processor is that you don't have to add water to blend the beans. But you could use a blender, it works fine, or a commercial grinder. So I'm gonna let it blend until it forms a very nice smooth paste. So I'm gonna slice the habanero pepper and the onion. Don't forget I already added 2 to the mix, so it's already blended too. So I'm just gonna put this as a form of a garnish or something. Then I'm gonna mix it up. I'm going to add a tablespoon of paprika and a tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna mix it up. Some people add crayfish. You can add whatever you want. It's your food. If you want to add boiled egg, fish, whatever, it's up to you. So I'm gonna mix it. You can whip in air into the mix with a wooden spatula or a hand mixer. Sometimes I use this mortar and pestle because that is what the Akara street sellers traditionally use. I'm checking for salt, so I just added some salt. You can add as much as you want. So I'm just gonna fold it in. So I want to check the oil if it's ready. So you can see it is ready. So I'm gonna start frying. And I'm using an ice cream scoop. You can use whatever you want to use. At first I used to use ordinary spoon. So it depends on the size you need. You can use whatever you need to use. As you can see, the akara is floating on top. It's not sinking to the bottom and it is holding its shape. That shows that it's not watery and it is well whipped. So when you notice the brown ring, like a brown ring at the side, you know that it's ready to turn. So you just flip it and just cook it for a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm just checking to see if it is ready. All of them are not ready at the same time because I did not put them at the same time, so I will take them out gradually. So I'm just gonna repeat the same process like I did the first time until it's done. See the middle, I'm just checking to see the middle, see how it looks. It's well cooked inside. This thing smells so good. It smells good. If you have never eaten akara, you don't know what you are missing. See? That's how you check. You check the side. It's like brown around the side. Just flip it and you're good to go. So akara is ready, people. I'm just gonna check to see if it's well done in the middle. See, it's cooked all the way. So you can enjoy akara with bread, akamu, gari, fried yam, or you can eat it by itself. So thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Like the video, share it. Stay safe and God bless you till we meet next time. Bye.